Fuck.
The boys are in the backyard.
I don't know what to do with myself.
Did I do what?
Oh my god.
What? Look at that guy. Is that your boyfriend? Why did you buy the black sweatshirt and not the white? What?
I thought about the white.
I just had falafel and now I feel awful. Hey Hiroshima, give me some Friday morning Japanese.
Okay, chicken wa. Ching. What? Wait, here, hold.
Say something funny to Noah.
I can't say nothing funny to Noah because he doesn't even have a funny face.
Big purple titty blossoms.
Noah, I love you.
I'm freaked out right now. Little pre-pubescent balls that haven't fully quite.
I'm a little boy on the hilltop.
I'm a little boy on a hilltop.
What about Noah?
Noah? Is this your cousin?
Yeah.
Hey Noah, how are you? I like Marcus.
My cousin Noah's single. Would you date him?
No, I'm not dating Noah. He knows that. He
Why?
wanted me to come over and clean his house.
She said it has to be a financial arrangement. You have to clean the house naked.
Wow. Hey, Locksmith says he can chug it faster than Jake.
3.
Blowing out of the water.
What'd you do?
Not even close, Jake.
My name is Mia. Oh, wait. No. Fight him.
I am too. Oh.
Stop.
Who's over there?
Oh!
No. Nah.
Who needs Corona when you got Locksmith?
Third man. Look at that sweatshirt.
Show us the back. Show us the back.
Let's see it.
Oh, he said he'll be your son.
Oh, that feels good.
And he's frozen with anger.
Human centipede.
No! Are you ticklish? No! Chocolate. Can you speak Japanese for me? Because you're in your sweatshirt?
It's mine. With me not working, I'm $1.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, Locksmith, but I had to do this. I almost tripped you.
How good was that? No.
I was about to trip Jacob and let him slam.
Ow!
Done with this.
Okay.
I'm alone. I'm somebody that lives in a foster home. I just need a family. Please save me.
What the f-
In that Japan sweatshirt.
Drinking.
Drinking what?